Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're diving deep into the 8 types of waste that can occur in a plastic part manufacturing company. These wastes can significantly impact your efficiency and profitability if not addressed properly. We'll explore each type of waste in detail and provide you with practical solutions to tackle them head-on. Our goal is to help you make your business leaner, meaner, and far more efficient. This isn't just about saving money, though that's a fantastic side effect. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within your organization. By optimizing your entire process, you can make things run smoother, faster, and with a lot less headache. Imagine a production line where everything works in harmony and every step adds value. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a truly efficient plastic manufacturing process, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey that will transform the way you think about manufacturing. Let's get started and discover how you can achieve operational excellence in your plastic part manufacturing company.
Okay, imagine this. You're in the middle of production and suddenly you need a specific part. You look around and it's nowhere near you. But it's clear across the factory. You have to walk all the way over there, wasting precious time and energy. That's transportation waste, and it's a huge time suck. Every step you take is a step away from productivity. Every minute your materials or products spend in transit is a minute they're not being worked on. This not only delays production, but also increases the risk of damage or loss during transport. The solution? Centralize. Bring your storage closer to the production floor. Imagine having everything you need within arm's reach. No more long walks or wasted time searching for parts. Think about it like a chef's mise en place. Everything they need, right at their fingertips. Chefs do this to ensure they can work efficiently and effectively without unnecessary movement. The same principle applies to manufacturing. When tools and materials are easily accessible, workers can focus on their tasks without interruption. Minimize the distance traveled, and you minimize wasted time. Simple but crazy effective. By reorganizing your workspace, you can significantly boost productivity and reduce fatigue among workers. So, take a look at your current setup. Are there ways to bring essential items closer to where the work happens? Small changes can lead to big improvements.
Having a warehouse full of raw materials might seem like a good thing, right? Not always. While it may appear that having an abundance of stock ensures you never run out, it can actually create more problems than it solves. Excess inventory ties up your capital, takes up valuable space, and can even degrade over time. This not only affects your cash flow but also leads to inefficiencies in your operations. Imagine trying to find a specific item in a sea of overstocked shelves. Time-consuming and frustrating, isn't it? That's where just-in-time, JIT, inventory comes in. JIT is a strategy that aligns raw material orders from suppliers directly with production schedules. It's designed to increase efficiency and decrease waste by receiving goods only as they are needed in the production process. JIT is like that perfectly timed delivery you get right when you need it. No more, no less. This approach ensures that materials arrive just in time for their use, reducing the need for large storage spaces and minimizing the risk of material degradation. It means receiving materials only when they're needed for production. This not only streamlines the production process, but also allows for more flexibility in responding to market demands. If there's a sudden change in customer preferences, you can adapt quickly without being bogged down by excess inventory. This reduces storage costs, minimizes waste, and keeps your inventory lean and mean. It's a real game changer. By implementing just-in-time JIT, companies can achieve a more efficient, cost-effective and responsive supply chain, ultimately leading to better customer satisfaction and improved profitability.
We're not talking about the laws of physics here, but rather the unnecessary movement of your workforce. Picture this. An operator walking back and forth across the shop floor just to grab tools or materials. That's wasted motion. The fix? Optimize your workstation layout. Think about it ergonomically. Tools, materials, everything should be within easy reach, minimizing those wasted steps. A well-organized workspace means a more efficient workforce. Frequent trips to centralized waste bins for disposing of plastic scraps. Action. Place waste bins near work areas to reduce unnecessary motion.
We've all experienced it. Waiting for that one machine to finish its cycle, waiting for approval, waiting. Waiting is a productivity black hole. It's time wasted that could be used for something productive. Standardizing your processes is key here. Clear, concise procedures minimize confusion and delays, and don't forget about preventative maintenance. A well-maintained machine is far less likely to break down, keeping your production line running. For example, if machines is idle while waiting for material changeovers or tool adjustments. What actions to do? Standardize setup procedures and perform preventive maintenance to reduce downtime. If another example operator is waiting for approval from quality control to proceed with the next batch. The action. Empower operators with training to perform basic quality checks. If production lines waiting for raw materials due to delays from suppliers. What action is? Improve supplier communication and schedule regular inventory checks. Employees waiting for instructions or clarification on task requirements. Their action is provide clear, standardized work instructions and training to minimize uncertainty.
It's tempting to maximize output, to run those machines at full tilt. But producing more than you need leads to a whole world of hurt. Excess inventory, storage costs, potential obsolescence. It's a recipe for disaster. Instead, embrace the power of demand-driven production. Systems like Kanban use visual cues to signal demand, ensuring you're producing exactly what's needed, when it's needed. It's all about finding that sweet spot between supply and demand. Example 1. Producing more parts than required due to inaccurate demand forecasting. Action. Implement demand-driven production using pull systems like Kanban. Example 2. Creating extra parts just in case they're needed for quality inspection. Action. Limit production to precise customer demand and reduce reliance on buffer inventory. Example 3. Running large batches to reduce setup times, resulting in surplus inventory. Action. Optimize setup processes to enable smaller, more flexible production runs. Example 4. Producing excess parts before shutdown periods to catch up on schedule. Action. Use production planning software to align production schedules with demand and maintenance schedules. Overprocessing. Example 1. Polishing or deburring surfaces that don't require high-quality finishes. Action. Identify parts where finish quality isn't essential and eliminate unnecessary finishing. Example 2. Excessively inspecting parts already verified as defect-free. Action. Implement automated quality checks and limit redundant manual inspections. Example 3. Adding costly colorants to parts where color isn't specified by the customer. Action. Ensure that customer specifications are clear and only use necessary additives. Example 4. Using highly complex mold designs for simple parts. Action. Redesign molds to match the simplicity of parts, reducing time and cost.
Defects waste warped or deformed parts due to incorrect molding parameters. Action. Standardize molding parameters and use sensors to monitor real-time quality. Inconsistent part dimensions caused by worn molds. Action. Establish a regular mold maintenance and inspection schedule. Parts with surface scratches from improper handling. Action. Train employees on handling procedures and use protective packaging for sensitive parts. Contamination in plastic parts due to mixing different materials. Action. Implement strict material segregation and quality controls for raw materials. Now, let's dive into another crucial aspect of waste that often goes unnoticed. Unutilized talent. Skilled machine operators performing simple, repetitive tasks. Instead of letting these valuable skills go to waste, assign your operators to more complex tasks and automate the repetitive ones. This not only boosts productivity, but also keeps your skilled workers engaged and motivated. Employees' improvement ideas not being captured or implemented. To tap into the full potential of your team, establish a continuous improvement program. Encourage your employees to share their ideas and ensure these suggestions are evaluated and, when feasible, implemented. This fosters a culture of innovation and continuous growth. Underutilizing technicians by assigning them tasks unrelated to their expertise. Align tasks with each worker's skill set and provide specialized training. This not only ensures that each task is performed efficiently, but also enhances job satisfaction and reduces turnover. Lack of cross-training, limiting employee flexibility and adaptability. Implement cross-training programs to increase workforce flexibility and resilience. This not only prepares your team for unexpected changes, but also promotes a collaborative and versatile work environment. Remember, your workforce is one of your greatest assets. By fully utilizing their talents, you can unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. Keep striving for excellence and continuously seek ways to engage and develop your team. By addressing these 8 types of waste, your plastic part manufacturing company can significantly enhance productivity, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. Remember, eliminating waste is not a one-time project. It's an ongoing process of continuous improvement. Keep looking for ways to streamline your operations, engage your workforce, and optimize your processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.